Hey guys, it's the Bling Gypsy. I am a director with Paparazzi, independent consultant, and I am going to be showing you how to do a couple things for your Paparazzi website and also how to purchase a unique domain name and link it to your Paparazzi website that we get for free from home office. Alright, so when you first start off, you want to, if you're brand new, you want to go to your back office, which is paparazziaccessories.com, and then your consultant number. And when you log in, you'll get this screen because you're a consultant, so your sign-in will be your consultant number, obviously, and then whatever you set as your password when you signed up. Once you get in there, your screen will look something like this. It won't have a picture, which is one of the things that I'll show you real quick. We won't go step by step, but I'll show you where to go to change that. And then I'm also, normally it would have your name right here that you signed up with. I'm going to show you how to change that because I'm known as the Bling Gypsy, so I didn't want my customers to go to the website and see Balsam Array. I wanted them to see the Bling Gypsy because that's what they know me as. So this is the main screen. This is where you go to shop and do all that stuff. But if you go right here where it says my back office and you click on that, that is where you can make changes to your website, and you should do this when you first start. And then right here, yours won't have a picture because you haven't added it yet, but if you go right here and go under settings, no, I'm wrong, not settings, sorry, it's the first one, my profile, there we go. If you click on my profile, there is all these options to the left, and I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so there is edit my picture right there. So if you go there and you want to take a really nice picture, of course wearing paparazzi jewelry, and make sure that picture also matches what you put on your business card. That is very important because you don't want your customers to be confused. You give them a business card with one picture, they go to your website and there's another picture. Make sure that your profile picture is the same on your business card, your website, and your Facebook and Instagram. Okay, it's very, very important because they're not going to check for the name. They're just going to look at the picture and say, oh, I don't think that's her, and they're going to back out. Okay, so make sure that matches. So this is where you go to change your picture. Now where I want to show you is replace site info. Now this is where you go. Remember when I said the website used to have my name, my first and last name? This is where you go to change it. Right here in this first box where it says name, and I can't remember if my name was physically in there and I backed it out or if it was blank, but either way you type the Bling Gypsy or whatever name of your business is, and make sure you check override. That's very important because otherwise it won't override it. I also put my phone number and I put override, and then I hit save changes. Make sure you hit that save changes down here. Okay, once you're done with that, when you go back, now your website won't say your name, it'll say the business name, which is what you want it to say. So that is how you replace that. And then if you go up here to where it says edit my info, this is where you can put my story. So you can talk about you can talk about why you signed up for Paparazzi, what was your first experience with Paparazzi, whatever you want your customers to read when they first get to your website. This will be on the main page, okay? So that's what you want there. And then make sure you hit save. The other thing I want to change is, No, not change payment info, but if you need to change your payment info, that's where it's at. Oh, it's right here. It is. It's under edit my profile. Okay, right here. I'm sorry. All right, right here. So Paparazzi gives us a free website. It's paparazziaccessories.com / and your consultant number. So mine's 152192. I was always worried that somebody was going to mistype those numbers and end up on another Papa, Sister, or Brother's website, and then I potentially could lose that sale. Okay, and then they're going to be all confused because they think I gave them the wrong website. So, in order to kind of take care of that, what I did is I called Paparazzi and they told me I can change it from my consultant number to a keyword. So I chose Gypsy. Okay, so now my website is paparazziaccessories.com / Gypsy. Now, with that being said, my first business cards had the consultant number, and I was worried that my old customers that still had my old card wouldn't be able to get on, but I tested it and it works either way. They can put in / your consultant number, or now on your new business card / Gypsy. Either way, it will get them to your website, because all this potentially does is this forwards it to the / 152192, which is my consultant number. Okay, so once you get all those changes done and make sure all your information on here is correct, make sure you hit save. So now, if you're new, then you order the cards that say Paparazzi Accessories / whatever your keyword is here. Mine is Gypsy. But if you're not new, your new batch of cards, make sure you change that. Now, this was a while ago. My next thing is I wanted to get a unique domain name. So in order to do that, you have to go to GoDaddy and you can purchase a unique name. So I'm known as the Bling Gypsy, so I wanted the blinggypsy.com. You can get .com for for 99 cents. You can and that's per year, guys. They're having a sale right now. You can get .net for $14.99 a year, or .site or .info. .com is the most common, so that's the one I chose. I've already purchased it, but if you go to GoDaddy, you create an account and you go ahead and purchase. Now they will try and sell you a landing page, a website. Just don't get any of that. Just get the domain name. That's all you need. Pay for the year. You can pay for a year, 2 years, or 3 years, or 10 years. There's all kinds of different pricing. Okay, I just did for the year for now. Alright, so once you purchase the domain name and it's now you own that domain name, I wanted to, instead of having on my new batch of business cards, I wanted to be able to use theblinggypsy.com, because it's going to be easier for my customers. Because again, paparazziaccessories.com is long, / gypsy is long, and they may not know how to spell it, accessories or whatever. I wanted something a little bit easier. So now I want to use theblinggypsy.com. But I needed to figure out how can I get theblinggypsy.com to forward to my already existing free Paparazzi Warehouse website. Well, after a lot of YouTube research and playing around with it, I figured it out, so I wanted to share it. So once you purchase your domain name, you go to the GoDaddy and you click on your name. It's gonna bring, of course you have to be signed in. It's gonna bring right here, it says manage domains. Click on that. And then there is my domain, okay? And if you click on it, and hit manage connection, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now you want to check, because you may have more than one domain name. I only have one. You want to check that box, and then you want to click on forward, and then forwarding domains. Now this is where you put your Paparazzi free website. Okay, it should be defaulted to the HTTP semicolon / leave that there, and then you want to put www.paparazziaccessories.com, in my case /gypsy. In your case, if you haven't changed it, it would be the number, your consultant number. You also want to change it to forward with masking, okay, because you don't want your customers to type theblinggypsy.com and then hit enter or go, and then it says paparazziaccessories.com /gypsy, and they're all confused. Some of them may not even notice, but just in case they pay attention, you want it to mask it. So you don't want your customers to know that the blinggypsy.com is forwarding to the Paparazzi warehouse. Okay, they're going to think it's your website. Now when you hit forward with masking, it's going to ask you, let me see if I can change it. Hold on a second. Let me change it, and then I'll change it back, because it asks you additional questions. No, it's not going to do it. Oh yeah, there we go. So it's going to ask you title, description, keywords. Okay, so the title, I just put the Bling Gypsy. And I'm trying to talk. I've got my small tripod on a box, guys, so bear with me here. I'm trying to type around it. Oops. And yes, gypsy spelled a little weird, but I wanted it that way. And then here you can put keywords if you want. You don't really need a description, but I'm just going to hit save for now. Alright, so now that we've done that, when your customers type theblinggypsy.com or whatever your business or domain name is, it's quietly, without them even knowing, forwarding them to the Paparazzi warehouse website that you already have for free. So they think that's your website, but really it's the one that you're getting from Paparazzi because they're awesome, and it takes your customers right there. Okay, so that is how you do it, guys. It takes about 30 minutes to an hour to work, but once it's updated, it will work. So now when my customers type theblinggypsy.com, it takes them right to my Paparazzi back office warehouse website. So just wanted to share that. If you guys have any comments, concerns, questions, put it in the comments. And if this video was helpful, please like my YouTube page and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Again, this is Balsam, independent consultant with Paparazzi. Thanks.